It's still snowing. How cool! Snow on our skylight. Good morning.
Hello.
We are protecting ourselves from the snow.
It's quite cold, but we're gonna go out anyways. Sam is really excited, as if she's never seen snow in her life before.
It's so cool.
So our plan for today is to complete our city walk tour in the old town, I think, or in MIASTO, that they call it, and try to finish our food tour as well. This is what South Africans look like when they see snow. We get very excited.
We don't get snow often, or ever. We only ever had it once.
Living the best day of my life. Living the best day of my life.
Wow, this camera does nothing to show how dense the snow is. It's so beautiful.
Best day of my life. Best day of my life. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm trying my first Paczki. It is warm. Apparently we ordered the one with Kinder Joy inside. So amazing. It's a soft, fluffy, kind of like a fat cook. I don't know what you call that otherwise. A donut. With filling inside and icing sugar on the outside. It's very nice.
Best day of my life. Watch it shimmer. All the glitter turns to gold. What a picture. See the future now unfold.
We have made it to Barbakan.
I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer.
This is the south gate of St. Florian's Gate. It is adorned with the 18th century bas-relief of St. Florian. The tower's north face bears a stone eagle that was carved in 1882 by a Polish sculptor.
Go in your heart, you know you're strong and you're brave enough. It's your time. You were made to fly.
The main market square, popularly known as the Rynek Glowny, is one place everyone is bound to visit in Krakow. Surrounding the market are some of the city's most prized treasures.
Never giving up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer.
We're now following Nick to go off to find some more Polish food. Yay!
Living the best day of my life. Living the best day of my life. Living the best day of my life.
Bigots. So it's basically a hunter stew made with cabbage. And over here we have got plucky something. I don't know. It's potato pancakes with goulash. Okay, let's first try the potato pancake. Very nice. It's like a hash brown, but it's kind of like a, it reminds me of like a schnitzel flavoring. Hash brown with schnitzel flavoring. And the goulash, ooh, hot. It's got a nice strong tomatoey acidity, which I like. And the chicken is so tender. Very nice. Nice, eh? It's really nice.
That's really good.
So Hans's stew, sauerkraut with meat. That's how they explain it. It's very similar to the soup we had. It's got a little bit of like sourness to it, and then with the soft cabbage that just melts in your mouth. That's good. What do you think? It's like
Very sour.
it is sauerkraut.
Not really my cup. Tams, are we gonna go home soon? Tam's store has just a little bit.
I'm so full, but I'm not gonna waste it.
Yeah, you don't waste food, dude.
Guess guys. Finished. Let's go home now.
Well done, Tams. Looks very clean.
Best day of my life, best day of my life. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
How do your shoes feel, Nick?
Just slightly wet.
How wet?
Sloshy wet.
That wet.
Dreamer.